Hi, Ryan Curtis here with Rooftop Public Adjusters on at Heron Bay on building 16. Got wind damage. See the tab is creased. We're going to do a repair. Detach the shingles around the area. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 courses up. That would be my mother used to tell me, your teeth are jewels, not tools. You see me now. Stick nails in my mouth. She wouldn't be happy. Double nailed. 1. 2. Getting some single transfer here. Yeah, here it is right here. That is the fiberglass from the upper shingle transferred down into the lower shingle. All right. Why is that not fitting? Kind of speaker than it looks. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay. All right, zoom in here if you would. Upper right shingle, crease, granule loss. You can see that. It's It's actually got a hinge already forming. Crease, 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 crease. You see granule loss on most of this. Here's granule loss. You can see it in the video probably. Yeah, you replaced one shingle, you creased 1-3 type shingle, you creased. This is one shingle, you creased 4 shingles and repairing 1 shingle on the back of building 16. So this would be a failed repair. This would be considered a temporary repair because we don't have the exact shingle anymore, so we don't believe it's made.